आपको पोटैटो वेजेस खाना अच्छा लगता है? मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है। एंड वी sometimes order from outside. Somebody says Domino's वाला potato wedges best है. Some other kids say no, McDonald's is the best. And after this recipe, you will judge whose is the best. I am giving you a recipe of potato wedges जो कि बहुत yum है. देखते जाओ. Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I am making for you potato wedges. Look at this. The world's best potato wedges ready for you. All you need is some ketchup, maybe Netflix, and enjoy this. Do try this recipe at home and let me know what you have to say. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Potato wedges for you. रेसिपी अगर ट्राई करना है तो करो, नहीं करना है आपकी लॉस.